Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find someone on Facebook by picture. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, there is no actual way on finding someone on Facebook by using the Facebook app, but you can at least try to use the Google app. Okay? So go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and find Google and just download it. And then when you have it, tap on it to open it up. Now in here, just tap on the lens icon or the camera icon. Tap on it and go ahead and insert the image that you would like to reverse image or reverse image search. This is the most effective way. So when you have photo, just upload it. Maybe this guy is the person's photo. Well, you can go ahead and swipe down and you will find relevant pictures here as well. Okay. And then you can go ahead and review. You could also go to exact matches right here if you want to. This method right here searches the web to see where else that image appears, okay? Potentially leading you to Facebook profile, just like these ones right here. Now, here are some limitations, okay? If the person has strict privacy settings, their photos and profiles will not appear in public search results. And you cannot upload a photo directly into Facebook search bar to find a user. Also, you can only find someone if you use their profile photo and if they've given, okay, listen closely, if they've given Google permissions to index their photo, okay? Otherwise, no other photos will work. And that is how you find someone on Facebook by picture. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.